Is it already morning? Oh, okay. I have to wake my mom up now. No, okay na lang. It's just okay. I'm still sad about what happened last time. Why is the house all wrapped up? And why is that door open? There has been a robbery. Oh no, I have to wake up mommy. Mommy. There has been a robbery. Yeah. Well, I have robbed this house many years ago, and you didn't seem to have a problem. What? This house was robbed? Yeah, when you were not yet born. Oh, you! I hate you, mother. I hate you. Okay, I have to go to the... I know, I still have to fix the house and see if nothing was robbed. Oh, I'll go call the police. Where's my phone? Here's my phone. Hello, police? We have been robbed. Please come here immediately to investigate. Okay, Mom. Okay, Mom. We don't have to go there. We all already know. We were the one who stole your house. What? Why would you do such a thing? Well, you were rich and we're not, so that's it. Okay, bye, Mom. Bye, Mom. Hello, man. Still have to clean this up. Good then. Okay. Seesaw. Nah, I'll do it stable. Mom? Mom, wake up. Okay, I'll wake up. Come, let's go there and watch TV. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, it's Mom. We don't have a TV. Well, buy one. Mom, I don't have money. I don't have money, Mom. I'm sorry. But well, go buy one. I don't care to steal one. Mom, that's bad. I don't care. Oh yeah, I have my phone. Sure, Mom. Go. Here, Mom. We only have the small version, so here you go. I'll go sleep here in my house. Yeah. Okay. What do I have to do? Okay. Oh yeah, I have to go to the party. Okay, now we're done. Oh yeah, where's my daughter? I have to tell her that I'll be late. Now, who cares? She doesn't care about me. Okay. Ah, I have to go home now already. Mom hasn't done anything. Where's Mom? Mom! Oh yeah, she has to go to the party that she thinks that I don't know about. Okay, who cares? I'll just sleep. Mm, Later at the party. Have to go home now already? Oh, here I am. She's already asleep. Okay, what should I do? It's still morning. Should I sleep? Yeah, I should sleep.